Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the number one neighborhood in Jamaica, not only Kingston and St. Andrew but Jamaica. This is Cherry Gardens, and you have more politicians or members of parliament or government, more members of parliament living in this constituency, in this neighborhood than any other neighborhood in Jamaica. Now, you know, there are about 7 government members of parliament that live in Cherry Gardens. Jacksonville also has a few, but more live in Cherry Gardens than any other neighborhood. And not only members of parliament, you also have more government ministers in cabinet living in this neighborhood than any other. So as you can see, it's a very nice neighborhood, well maintained, except for the roads, of course, but that has to do more with the government than the neighborhood. Just going to drive around and give you guys a tour. That's Upper Melwood Avenue we just passed on the right. Now, these sleeping policemen were put in to prevent people from speeding through the neighborhood. And quite a few neighborhoods in Jamaica have been doing it, because you just saw, well, we won't go there, but it definitely helps with the speeding. Okay, so this is Upper Markway on the right now. So on the right, we turn onto Upper Markway and we passed Upper Melwood. But if we had turned left, we would go on to Markway and then Melwood. So the roads on the right, they call them Upper, and the ones on the left, it's just Markway or Melwood Avenue. Okay, on the right now is a complex, Markway Manor. You can see some very nice homes. And something you're also going to notice is you're not going to see a lot of empty lots in this neighborhood. That's because the neighborhood is in such demand, the homes, that you don't really find persons build homes and those kind of things. You have 1 or 2 empty lots, but those are for persons who are just holding on to them for value. I mean, they don't want to sell it. It's not that it's hard to sell or anything. They're just holding on to it for it to increase in value. Alright, we're now turning on to Upper Melwood Avenue. Now you guys see how nice these homes are, how nice the area is. These homes probably go for, it start at 80 million for the older ones, and the newer ones are a lot more. And look at the state of the road. And what's ironic is that every home or every household in this neighborhood has to pay land tax. I would estimate a land tax at probably between 40 and 50,000 a year. And that land tax goes to the local government. And that they are supposed to fix these roads. These are parochial roads. These roads are the responsibility of the parish council. So that's what the land tax is supposed to be used for. And look at the state of the roads. Look at the sidewalks, how well maintained they are. Look at the homes, how well maintained they are. And then look at the road you have to drive on to get to these homes. Unbelievable. So this is Upper Melwood Avenue that we're on, and then now we're going across the road and going on to Melwood Avenue. There's another very nice complex on the right. Actually, that complex on the right, it was a home, but the lots are some of these lots are so big that they tore down the home and put up those townhouses that you see there. So a subscriber had asked recently for us to make videos of the top 10 places for returning residents to live in Jamaica. Well, we are not sure how of the ranking, but this neighborhood would definitely be in the top 10 for sure. But we're going to make the videos I should say of for returning residents, best places to live in Jamaica for those who are not familiar with all the neighborhoods. So we'll make a list, but this definitely will be one of the neighborhoods we would recommend in the top 10. Alright, so we're now driving out of Cherry Gardens. If we turn left, we go onto Shortwood Road and head into the Shortwood area. If we turn right, we go down to the Benson Fording and go into the Norbrook area. So the homes on the left are in Cherry Gardens, but the homes on the right are not in Cherry Gardens. But there has always been some debate that the roads on the right are a part of Cherry Gardens, but officially the boundary for Cherry Gardens is this road. So all the homes on the left are a part of Cherry Gardens. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.